Do you want to live close to downtown Sunnyvale but still come home to peace, privacy, and a cozy retreat? Let me show you this hidden gem.
Step inside and feel the space. Open air and easy grace. Sunlight dancing wall to wall. A place that welcomes one and all. A cozy fire, a quiet view. Little moments made for you. Tucked away yet close to town. The perfect balance can be found.家的温暖就在眼前，每一天都值得纪念。也힘빼들고 수군내는 heartbalik 나이가하니바네. A place to gather, laugh and live. A place where every memory shines. Two private suites, room to grow. Comfort in every room, you know. Just steps from everything you need. Yet peaceful as can be.
Do you like what you see? Contact your agent or contact us. Thinking about buying or selling? Just say when.
Coffee on the balcony. Evenings filled with company. Downtown lights are just beyond. Yet home is where you still belong. A little retreat in Sunnyvale. Close to it all yet far away. Open the door and you'll see why. Some homes simply feel right.